description box. Number 3 is the Brother HL-L3270CDW Color Laser Printer. In the realm of creative projects, a laser printer that excels in precision and quality can truly revolutionize the game, especially when crafting impressive WaterSlide decals. With a focus on speed, this printer delivers outstanding performance, which boasts an impressive print speed of up to 25 pages per minute. The input paper tray offers a generous capacity of up to 250 sheets, minimizing the need for frequent refills during long printing sessions. An outstanding feature that truly distinguishes the Brother HL-L3270CDW is its automatic two-sided printing capability. This saves you valuable time and promotes eco-friendliness by conserving paper. With its compact dimensions of 21 x 23 x 14.5 inches, this printer perfectly balances performance and space-saving design. With the user-friendly 2.7-inch color touchscreen display, navigating your print jobs becomes effortless. The intuitive interface ensures that even less tech-savvy can operate this printer efficiently. The Brother HL-L3270CDW provides a range of connectivity options, like wireless, USB, and NFC. It even comes with an additional printer cable, allowing you to set up your printing station according to your preferences. And if you like this wireless laser printer, be sure to check out the link in the description box below.